What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get BullX Neo in 2025, how to get its early access, and how to start using BullX Neo. Now to do this, the process is really simple. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. Now if you guys don't know, BullX Neo is the enhanced version of original BullX with enhanced features and more tools to enhance your trading experience. To start using this early, I'll provide a link in description of this as well. You guys can go and check out BullX Neo from there. And if you hit the start button, you will see that you are put on a waiting list and you won't get the early access. Now to get the early access code, what we need to do, I'll just show you in a second. To get the early access code, we will head over to our search bar on Telegram, and here we'll search BullX Neo access code. And once you search it, make sure you select the right one, and here we'll select this one, and here we'll just simply click on get instant access. So simply click on this, and once you do it, it will take you back, and now you can get your login link. Simply go and click on this login link and hit open. Now it will redirect to the main BullX Neo page. Wait a few seconds right here. Now here it is logging us in. Now I'm already logged in, so let me just go to the main page. Now this is the main interface of BullX Neo, and we have successfully logged in and got the instant access. Well, that's how you can start using BullX Neo in 2025. I have made another video where I'll show you in detail every feature of BullX Neo. You can go and check it out. And well, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.